Well, definitely food definitely has the potential to bring us together for meal times. And there's numerous benefits as to why that's so important as well. Because actually, did you know that about 30% of Canadians actually find it challenging to share meals with their friends and their family? And even on top of that,
Yeah, I mean, I guess it makes sense, right? I mean, our schedules are all different. We're kind of all over the place. Sometimes we don't have that set dinner time anymore. So that number is surprising, but I think not as well, right? 30%, yeah.
well, and absolutely too, because there's so many different barriers that actually come into play to, always have set dinner times as well, because of our busy, hectic schedules. You might have extracurricular activities after school, and there's a lot of other things that are kind of going on that we feel takes priority, but we should be making the effort to at least share a few meals over the week together, because there are a lot of benefits.
So why is this so important? What are some of the benefits of sharing a meal at least up to like 4 times a week or something like that? Why is that important?
Okay, it is really important for everyone actually. So when it comes to children and teens, they tend to have more nutrient-dense diets. So they're eating more fruits and vegetables. They're actually performing better in school as well. So they're getting better grades. And there's a reduced intake of sugar-sweetened beverages. As well for adults, they're also increasing their fruit and vegetable intake, having more nutrient-dense foods. There's less trips to the drive-through as well. There's lower BMIs as well. And for older adults, there's actually increased nutrient intake when they are eating together, so with some company, as well as lower rates of malnutrition as well.
Okay, so that kind of makes sense, right? Like, I mean, if you're going to be eating solo by yourself, you might just say, oh, I just need a quick meal. I'm just going to go through the drive-through or something like that and get home. I'm tired. I don't want to cook today just for one person. Whereas when you're eating with a group, you're kind of dependent to get that food out. And then you kind of think, oh, maybe we should put some broccoli in there to make it look better.
Exactly. It's more planned out. So you can know that, like, oh, right, we should be thinking about our vegetables and everything. And, putting away any of those digital distractions as well. Because when we're eating by ourselves, we tend to, look at our phones, read our emails, and that can impact our health too.
So how to get everyone to the table? Is there some advice to be able to say, what if our schedules are a little bit off and we don't have every evening together? What else can you do? Is it just dinner?
No, absolutely not. So any meal that you share together with a family or with your friends, you can really reap the benefits of it as well. So it doesn't have to be dinner. It can be, breakfast during the week, or maybe brunch, on the weekends as well. So you can definitely fit those in to have the benefits of eating together.
That's awesome. And so you brought us a little setup with us today. Yeah. Is it just, maybe sometimes making it fun as well, and having that, family time, and maybe putting in the effort to get some fun placemats and colors and make it an event maybe potentially as well?
Absolutely, yeah. You want to make foods exciting, right? So it's, as much as important as the food that's actually on the plate as well, but you definitely want it to be, inviting and definitely exciting.